Hey guys, in this video I'm just going to show how to remove the noise from your Adobe Premiere clips. So how to do that before exporting. For example, just want to play the sound.
With the Nintendo eShop, you need to log in.
You can hear the noise and some background sounds.
You need to choose your profile. Record or debit card details from your Nintendo Switch online.
You would have heard that noise on the background, some bird sounds and some other disturbance noise. So how I'm going to remove this in simple way. So the same video, right? For that you need to add one effect into the audio. So for that, right, so double click this. You can see this audio section here, and you need to add an effect. Go to your effect and search for noise. Under noise, right, come to audio effects and absolute audio effects folder, and you can see this denoiser. This is a simple thing. I mean, you can immediately remove that. Just drag and drop here. You are adding an absolute effect. Would you like to add or add a newer version? But I'm going to say yes. So this has been added here. So now I'm going to play the same sound, same video.
So I'm just going to show this. So you need to go to your Nintendo eShop, come down.
See, now the noise is removed 80%. 80% of noise is removed. So you can use this options. You can add this effect to reduce the noise. So go to effect control, and if you double click this, right, you can see under this effect controls. See, this noise, denoise has been added here. So this is the way you can decrease the noise from your videos. So once it's done, right, and I'm fine with this, I'm just saving, then export it. Export, name it here, just save, then click export. Ensure that this two is enabled, export video and export audio. Click export. Now the noise is removed from your video clips. That's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please provide comments and feedbacks in video form. Thank you. Bye.